How to record audio on Instagram. Today I will show you how to record audio on Instagram, whether you are creating content or sending the voice messages. Let's get into it. First, open Instagram and tap on your stories. Open it. Now tap on it. Here you just need to hold the record button and speak like this. Your voice will be captured with the video. You can add music from here. And just like that, you recorded your voice on Instagram. You can tap on next and add stickers, text or music from here. Now once you are done with it, simply tap on next and add captions to it. You can tag people from here, you can add locations, and you can post it to threads as well. And just like that, it's super easy to record audio on Instagram. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more video tips. Thanks for watching.